Hey everyone, and welcome to our story time. Today, I have a wonderful tale for you about two best friends. Once upon a time, in a big, sunny meadow, lived a little boy named Leo and a little girl named Mia. They did everything together and were the best of friends. One bright afternoon, they decided they would build the most magnificent, the most amazing sandcastle the world had ever seen. They dug and patted and scooped the sand, their castle growing taller and taller. But then, a little problem came up. Leo wanted the tallest tower right in the middle, but Mia thought it would look better on the side. They started to disagree, and in a moment of frustration, Leo accidentally knocked over a small, sandy wall that Mia had just carefully built. Seeing the wall crumble, Mia's eyes filled with tears. She was so sad. When Leo saw his friend crying, his heart felt heavy with regret. He knew he had made a mistake. Without a second thought, he said, "I'm so sorry, Mia," and immediately started helping her rebuild the wall. Together, they made it even stronger and more beautiful than before. A big smile returned to Mia's face. They finished their sandcastle, complete with a tall tower right in the middle, and it was truly magnificent. That day, Leo and Mia learned a very important lesson. Even the best of friends can have disagreements. But a little bit of kindness and saying sorry can fix anything, making their friendship even stronger and unbreakable. What a sweet story! It shows us how important it is to be kind to our friends. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories. See you next time.